Hello friends, today we are going to practice some hand exercises that are going to help with tremor management, weakness in the hand, if you feel any numbness in the hand because of which the grip strength has become weak, or even muscle tightness and spasticity. For the first exercise, we are going to use a simple squeezy ball. Stabilize the ball in your hand while keeping some gap between your fingers, and then try to apply pressure only with the fingers while the thumb stabilizes it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the next exercise, now the fingers will be at the bottom and the thumb on the top, and you try to press it only with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the next one, now we are going to place the tip of the thumb on top of the ball and then squeeze down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the next set of exercises, we are going to use a flexi bar. So you can stabilize it with one hand and then try to bend it with the other. 1, 2. As you can see, it is also helping in elbow and shoulder movement. After that, we can practice twisting it. And then open it back. Try it the other way around as well. Twist it as much as you can. And then let go. The last set of exercises requires simple rolling of the hand. So you roll it first on a ball, forward and backward. And we can practice the same action with the flexi bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope these exercises are helpful for you. They are simple to practice. Even if you practice them twice a day regularly and do at least 10 repetitions of each exercise, you will find a significant difference in your hand strength as well as control of your muscles, which is essentially required for tremor control. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos related to tremor therapy, hand rehab, and neuro rehabilitation. Ring the bell icon for notifications. Add any queries or suggestions in the comments below, and we'll meet again soon. Bye.